Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show how to prepare takeout pho, ensuring it tastes just as delicious as in the restaurant. First, carefully separate all the components into their individual containers. Next, gently heat your flavorful broth in a small saucepan over medium heat until it reaches a light simmer. Finally, get your favorite large serving bowl ready for the assembly process. This initial setup is crucial for a perfect pho experience. Now, let's prepare the noodles and meats. Take your rice noodles and briefly blanch them in hot, not boiling, water for approximately 30 seconds to warm them through. This prevents them from becoming mushy. Drain them very well. Then, artfully arrange the pre-cooked meats, such as sliced beef or chicken, and fresh herbs like cilantro and green onions, into your prepared serving bowl. This creates a beautiful base. With your noodles and meats in place, it's time for the star of the show, the broth. Carefully pour the hot, simmering broth directly over all the ingredients in your bowl. The heat from the broth will gently cook any thinly sliced raw meats. Then, add your fresh garnishes, including crisp bean sprouts, a wedge of lime, and fragrant basil leaves. Finally, customize your pho with a drizzle of hoisin and sriracha sauce to your liking. Your perfect takeout pho is now ready to enjoy. Give all the ingredients a gentle stir to ensure the flavors are well combined throughout the bowl. Take a moment to taste your creation and adjust any seasonings, perhaps adding more lime or a dash of fish sauce to suit your preference. Savor every spoonful of this warm, comforting, and aromatic dish. Enjoy your delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.